I'm doing a mind map, and with the mind map, what you do is you put down 3 words which mostly, not always, relate to each other.
Assessment is the process of gathering and interpreting information about the progress of students' learning. Research shows that monitoring students' learning and giving them feedback about how to improve is the most effective thing teachers can do to improve achievement. There are 3 purposes for assessment: diagnostic, formative, and summative. Diagnostic assessment is often used during the engage phase. This stage of assessment should draw out what the students already know about the concept to be explored. Through diagnostic assessment, lessons can be created to build on the students' prior knowledge and challenge alternative conceptions. Students' ideas can be recorded as a concept map, mind map, through drawings, or on the TWLH chart. Diagnostic assessment often occurs spontaneously as the teacher interacts with students.
At the beginning, in the engage phase, you provide opportunities for children to find out what they already know and what they want to find out.
Good diagnostic assessment draws out students' existing ideas, helps them express their ideas, and leads the class into an exploration of new concepts.
Today, boys and girls, we're going to be looking at our spinning in space workbook.
Formative assessment is often used in the explain phase and involves monitoring and extending students' developing understandings. Research has shown formative assessment is one of the most effective strategies for improving learning. The key to its effectiveness is the quality of feedback given to students about their learning. Literacy products created by students in this phase are assessed to monitor which areas of learning have been improved and give feedback on their product. Feedback should direct attention to the activity at hand rather than the student's skills or abilities, and focus on challenging students to extend and deepen their learning.
Okay, in here, Jared, you've done your diagram. What's this part here?
The beans.
The beans. And how do you know it's the beans? What have you written on there?
I wrote the beans and an arrow pointing up to them.
So you labelled the diagram. Excellent. Yep. How could we show other things, more information? How could we show it?
Summative assessment is used in the elaborate and evaluate phases to determine the extent to which the students have achieved the learning outcomes of the unit. The elaborate phase provides an opportunity to evaluate the students' investigation skills, and the evaluate lesson generates work samples that can be used to assess conceptual learning outcomes.
In the beginning of our unit, we did a day and night sheet, and we answered some questions. And sooner or later, we did another day and night sheet and see how much we've learned since the beginning.
Assessment is integrated with teaching and learning. Diagnostic assessment reveals students' prior knowledge for planning following lessons. Formative assessment enhances learning through giving feedback. And elaborate and evaluate lessons generate work samples for summative assessment.